Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X8, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and then locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is located on the first page right over here. Once you see this toggle on your end, first time around I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can number one, check out how it's set by default, and obviously number two, change if something doesn't fit your exact needs. Now once you've customized these settings, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back there again, as long as you don't want to change anything. And whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, simply tap on it. First time around you will get this pop-up to turn on Do Not Disturb mode, lets you know what will be changed, but also by default you will have this box selected, so don't remind me again, which means that this box will not show up ever again. So there we go, and right now our Do Not Disturb mode is active, which you can also see with this icon right here in your status bar, the moon icon, which signifies this Do Not Disturb mode being enabled. Now once you're done using it, you can find this toggle once again, tap on it once more to turn it off. Otherwise, this mode will run indefinitely in your background. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.